2-3 दीस जाले गोंयभर सद्याक पावसान नेट धरला. पावस आनीक कांय दीस पडूं येता.
We are getting moderate rain in last 2-3 days. Till today morning we received around 26 millimeters all over Goa. In the next 2 days this rain will continue. That means today and tomorrow we are expecting some good rain with isolated heavy rain. Today and tomorrow. From day after tomorrow onwards it will slowly decrease.
कांय सुवातींनी मोठो पावस पडूं येता, मात धोक्याची शिटकावणी ना.
We don't see any danger in this because we may have some heavy rain at isolated places only.
Okay.
There is no danger as such. Now this rain is because of a low pressure area over Telangana.
परतीच्या पावसाक अजून बरोच वेळ आसा. 3 सप्तका उपरांत परतीचो पावस सुरू जावं येता. प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे.